In my previous video, I bought a Skyvik uh, metallic plate and I returned the product. Instead, I got this Skyvik Truhold air vent plastic magnetic mobile holder. Uh, this is all the contents are mentioned in the product cover, and this is how the packaging looks. It looks neat, and some of the features are also mentioned in the side of the cover, like it's 2-year warranty, and there is a 360-degree rotation and things like that. Now we'll just see what's inside the box. Now that we have inside the box, let's look at what all are provided. We have metallic plates and uh, a product catalog is also provided with their other products, and this is the lens. These are all some of the other products that they provide, the same company, and that is the instruction manual and their YouTube video link, and once a thank you card and an extended warranty card. You probably might not need it because it's not going to get damaged, because this product is really of high quality material, um, and there is nothing else in the box. Let's look at what we have here. We have like two circular plates with adhesives, and um, we have the protective film for those two plates, and we have a rectangular uh, metallic plate as well, and the protective film for that is also included. Now that's covered, we'll just take out the magnet. That's how it's packed in a thin film of plastic. Once we take that out, it really looks really beautiful. When you hold it, you will feel like the quality of the material and the product, really good finishing with black color and the badging logo. The back side is made of plastic. We'll see how we can use it with the mobile phone. First you need to take the cover of your mobile, then choose which then choose the film for it, protective film. For this demonstration I will be using the circular plate, since it's a mobile. For tablets you can go for that rectangular metallic plate that came along with the product. We need to apply this thin film first, because it will not leave any mark if we decided to take that off in the future. So it's to protect the mobile from getting some mark from the adhesive of from this metallic plate. We need to peel that metallic that adhesive coating from that and align it to the plastic coating, and just paste it above the plastic film now and fix it. And now that it's firm, let's just put the cover back on. Make sure that it's really firm, and just show you the power of the magnet. Look, it's really strong once to get hold of it, and that's why I really like the product. You don't have to worry about bumps or anything like that. Even if your mobile is heavy, it can keep it intact. So let's just cover the mobile with the mobile cover, and we'll see how we can use it in the vehicle. That's how strong it is. You don't have to worry about it. It's really strong. The mobile will not fall off of this magnet. It's pretty good. Now that that's covered, we'll go to the vehicle and see how it's installed. Once you select which vent you want to put it in, select the vent and apply some pressure so that rubber bush will slide through the vent, and that's it. You are ready to use this magnetic mobile holder. You can just keep your mobile like that and can rotate it 360 direction. Since it's magnet, you can do that really easily. One problem with that with this is like you won't be able to move your AC vents because it's stuck. That's the only disadvantage that I can see of this product. Why I decided to go for this is because earlier I was using this product because it is made of suction cup. That suction cup will melt really fast. That's why I decided to switch to this new product. I really like the quality and the strong magnetic grip that this product has, and I would really recommend you buy this if you are struggling to find a good mobile holder for your car or any vehicle. And overall, I really like this product. If you want to buy this product, I will include a link in the description below. I hope you like this video. um, Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.